Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we are going to calculate the total number of factors, product of factors, sum of factors and number of odd and even factors of a given composite number. Let us take an example. Say I take a number 24. Now for this number, I am going to calculate the sum of factors, product of factors, total number of factors and numbers of odd and even factor. Before doing that, we have to find out the prime factors of 24. In order to calculate the prime factors, I had already told in my previous shorts what are prime numbers. Again, I am telling you the definition. The number divisible by a number itself and 1 are called prime numbers. 3 and 1. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now here 2 is 3 times, so I'll write 2 power 3 and 3 is 1 time, so I'll write 3 power 1. So I'll tell you a formula to calculate the factors orally. Now here you have to add 1 to the powers. I have added 1 to 1 and 1 to 3. So it will become 4 into 2. In this way, the total number of factors of 24 are 8. Now you want to check it with the normal methods of checking the factors. Let us say factors of 24, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So the total factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, which is also equal to 8. So you see that we can find out the factors of any number orally using this formula. Now let us see how this formula is. Now let n be any number. Let n be any composite number. You have to express this composite number in the form of prime. So n is equal to a power p into b power q into c power r into d power s and so on, where a, b, c and d etc. are prime factors and p, q, r, s are the powers of exponent. So your formula is n is equal to ap into bq into c power r into d power s. As I told you, in case of 24, you have to add just 1 to the power. So p plus 1, q plus 1 into r plus 1 into s plus 1. This is the formula for calculating the total number of factors of a number. So hope you can calculate the total factors of 24 orally. Now I will tell you how to calculate the sum of 24. Now in order to calculate sum of factors of 24, I will show you with the same example 24. Again the prime factors of 24. This is 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Now the sum of factors can be found out by 2 4 power minus 1 into 3 2 power minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1. Now 2 power 4, it is 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15. 3 square is 9 minus 1 8. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. I'll cut it. 2 4s are 15 plus 4 into 4 equal to 60. This is the sum of factors of 24. We have calculated the factors of 24, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we have to calculate the sum. So let us take the sum of factors. which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24, which comes out to be 60, which we have calculated orally. So let us look at the formula which we have used here. Again, we have to express the number in the form of prime. So n is a natural number, which I had told you. Express it in the form of prime d power s. Now the formula, sum of all the divisor or factors is a p plus 1 minus 1 into b q plus 1 minus 1 and so on upon a minus 1 b minus 1. So in this way we have used this formula to calculate the sum of factors of any given composite number. Now next comes the product of factors. The product of factors of 24. Now the factors of 24 were 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8 and 4 into 6. Now the product of we have seen that the product also come out to be 24. It is obvious that the product will be 24. So the answer should be 24 to the power 4, because we want to find out the product of factors of 24. Now the product of factors of 24 can be derived using this formula. N was a power p into b power q into c power r into d power s. Now our formula is n is equal to n raised to n by 2, where n is the total number of factors and which we have calculated initially. In case of 24, the total factors was 8. So 24 was your number, small n was 8, so 8 by 2, so answer is 24 power 4, which we have seen here by calculating it. This is easy when the question is very simple 2-digit, but for larger number we have to use this formula, because we are not going to write all the products of the number. The last is the odd and the even factors. Odd factors and even factors of a number. So again, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8 and 4 into 6. We can see that 1 and 3. There are two odd factors of 24. Odd factors are 1 and 3. See, even factors of 24 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, and total factors which we have calculated were 8. Right, now we have seen that there are two odd factors and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even factors, and total factors 8, so it is okay. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now the formula which we have used to calculate 8 orally is again n is equal to p1a into p2b into p3c into e power x, where this p1, p2, p3 are odd primes and E is even prime. Now, in order to calculate odd factors orally, we just have to write a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. Now, in case of 24, this is 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. We have only one odd factor and we will add 1 to that. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2 odd factors. Odd factors by formula is 2. Total factors as we have calculated was 8. So we can calculate even factors by subtracting, which comes out to be 6. So I will take one more example. Let us take an example of 90. We write the factors of 90 as 2 into 45, 3 into 30, 5 into 18, 6 into 15, 9 into 10. Right? So we can see factors 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So the odd factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So by formula we will express in the form of prime. So 90 in the form of prime, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So first of all express in the form of prime. Yes, we have seen there are two odd primes. So by formula 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6, which is correct. We have total 6 odd factors. Now by subtracting from total factors minus odd factors, we can get the even factors of any number. So in this way we have find out all the sum of factors, total number of factors, product of factors, number of odd and even factors from a simple example of a composite number 24. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with problems on exponent and indices. Goodbye.